I'm not ready yet, and Maddie's all ready for the gym.
I'm ready to go. I was not feeling so hot this morning, not gonna lie. Yesterday, if you watched our vlog channel on the Kyle and Maddie channel, we ate the Gatsby's for dinner. And this morning I woke up feeling like the Gatsby just slapped me in the face 100 times while I was sleeping. Like I felt like not good. So I just decided I'm getting ready, I'm drinking water, I'm cutting up some fruit. Some fruit. Got my fruit for breakfast. But yeah, good morning, guys.
My hair is just so much better now.
I know, they're all like super wrinkly and amazing. We are, why am I so zoomed in? We are getting through this, if you guys saw my Instagram story, I'm not sure if I showed you guys here on YouTube, but we had just like this whole counter was full of fruit, and we're pretty much gone through it all.
Guys, this was Maddie like 10 minutes ago. She just like came around the corner and was just like, boom! Just nailed her toe on the couch.
Mother God.
You just literally kicked it. Why'd you do that?
I don't know how. Holy sh.
Just like, and there's a lot of space here. So like, she just...
I don't know what I did, but my foot is throbbing now. Like I heard the crack, like when I smacked my foot. Right in between my last two toes, that really hurt. Okay, ow,
Sorry.
don't.
I was just making sure.
Like it's not broken. If it was broken, I would know it's broken.
No, you don't know. That's because the bones are so small, like, you can't tell.
Look, you can see the bruise already.
You're supposed to lift legs.
Yeah, I know. I have really bad spatial awareness when I'm like focused on something. I'm like clumsy in that way. But anyways, I'm finishing off my fruit and then we are gonna go to the gym. I'm working legs today, like Kyle said. My legs are still kind of sore from my last leg workout, so this should be interesting. What are you working?
Back and buys.
Literally sitting here eating my fruit and he's like, that should be a song.
Back and buys.
But look at that view. Always such a beautiful view. Alright guys, so we've made it to the gym and I am going to start by warming up doing some glute activation exercises with my mini band. I talk about this a lot in my at-home workout videos on my fitness channel, but warming your glutes up before you do like a booty focused or leg focused day just really helps to wake your glutes up and just helps you to engage them more when you are doing leg and booty focused exercises.
You always searching for a better thing, wanna replace me. I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse than lonely. Can someone tell me they see good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts.
You got it, baby. Push it. One more. Use that core. Tighten that core.
So I'm just getting into my leg workout today, but I'm feeling really strong today. I'm gonna post the full workout that I'm doing today on my MadFit Instagram, so if you want like the full details. How's your workout going?
Really good. Back and buys, baby. Back and buys.
Back and buys.
Exercise call in 4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go. It is so loud in here, but I have completed my workout. My legs are donezo, but I feel really, really good. I'm just waiting for Kyle. He is finishing up his workout. What is he doing? I guess you're done working out? He's just stretching now, so he's just finishing up, and then we are out of this super noisy gym. We are back from the gym, and on our way home we were going to stop at the zero waste grocery store and pick up a bunch of things that we needed, but the past few times that we have gone there, they've been closed. And I don't know why, because it's like after the holidays and they're still closed, and that means we have 0 oats in this house for the past few days, and I'm dying. Like, I'm like, what do I eat? Like, I don't know what to eat now. But we do have enough stuff for a smoothie bowl, so we're gonna have a smoothie bowl first. I'm like, gotta wash my hands. Ugh, my calluses are coming back. Can you see that?
Ooh.
Look at those babies.
How sexy are those?
I got man hands.
Ooh.
Wow.
What you got going on, baby?
So we got these beautiful pitaya packs, which is like the pink dragon fruit. They are amazing for smoothie bowls because they make the smoothie bowl super pretty and pink, and they make it taste really good. Smoothie bowl creation was a success. It's a great thing to come home to after a super hard leg day at the gym. Super hot outside. Should have added the protein into this. I'm just gonna make a separate quick shake with some water and the protein powder because I've been having that consistently after working out. How's your smoothie bowl up there?
Really good.
2 thumbs up.
Really cold. We haven't had like a smoothie.
We haven't had a smoothie bowl.
In a while, you know?
Yeah.
You're always searching for a better thing. Wanna replace me? I'm in a place that
Look at that. I brought us some more fruit to eat.
Because it's hard to keep on weight as a vegan.
Fruit doesn't keep you satisfied for long, so you gotta keep eating it. Got pineapple, mango, and passion fruit. Look at all that juice in the bottom.
Can I sip it?
Ron Tom? There is a heated game of rugby happening right beside us. But usually, the past few times we've come to the beach, we haven't come prepared. We didn't bring a snack. But today we brought some fruit to kind of keep us happy while we're here until we go home and make some more food. Are you eating all that?
Yep.
All right, we are home, we are showered, and we picked up some oats on the way home from the beach. So I'm very happy about that. Cooking some oats on the stove right here. Then I've got some apples that I chopped up, and I'm in the middle of stirring this fresh peanut butter, and we're gonna have sort of like an apple peanut butter oatmeal. I'm so stoked. I think stirring the nut butter is one of the jobs that I hate doing the most. I love...
That was really, for me, it's satisfying.
Well, you should have done it if you like it. All right, we've got oatmeal, apples, drizzled with peanut butter, and I topped it with some pumpkin seeds. Here you go.
Thanks. Looks great.
That didn't sound very enthusiastic. I'm also having a protein shake that I didn't have after the gym because I forgot to put it in the smoothie bowl, and then I didn't have enough time to drink it before we wanted to go to the beach. But I just put almond milk, a scoop of the Vivo Life salted maca caramel, a little bit of extra maca, and a little bit of water and some ice, and it's really good. Ugh, ice with the protein shake, I don't know. It's like my new favorite thing now. Now is the point in the afternoon where we start to do most of our computer work. Kyle is editing for the Kyle and Maddie channel. I have some editing and emails that I have to do. And that's what I'm gonna do while I eat my oatmeal and drink my protein shake. Alright guys, so I am preparing some dinner now. I am making just something super simple and easy. I'm going to be making sort of like a burrito bowl, but I am going to be making it with quinoa. We've got quinoa ready to go, and then I have some onions in this pan. I have some cauliflower that's about to go in the oven, and then I have chopped up some mushrooms and a little bit of yellow bell pepper, and that's gonna go in this pan with the onion. And then I have some corn. I'm so excited. I haven't had fresh corn in a really long time, so I'm going to steam that up in that pot. And then I have some fresh tomatoes. We have some lime, and I also have some avocados in the fridge. Basically, I'm just using up all of the veggies that we have in the fridge that are about to go bad and just making it into like a little burrito bowl. I need to get this cauliflower going in the oven, and then I'm gonna start the quinoa. I almost forgot the most important part, the black beans. I got beans, don't worry, I did not forget the black beans. So I'm going to drain and rinse these, nothing too special with those. But that is a key component of making a burrito bowl. You need the beans. Well guys, look at these beautiful, beautiful plates. Whatever one you want. I think this one has more.
I'm so hungry. It looks great. It looks really good. I'm pumped.
The cauliflower literally took so long to cook in that oven, and it's not even cooked all the way through. That oven is like an easy bake oven. Like it doesn't
heat up.
It doesn't even heat up at all. But yeah, that dinner, if you have an oven that works properly, would be super quick and easy to make, because while the quinoa is cooking and while the cauliflower is in the oven, you can steam up your corn, and then prep all your other veggies like your like the peppers and mushrooms and stuff, and literally would take like 25 minutes to make. Wow, look at that mountain of guac. I also made some guac with just avocado, lime, and salt. That is one healthy whole food dinner, let me tell ya.
I'm gonna be on the toilet in the morning.
So guys, we are going to chow down on these beautiful plates of food. There's a bunch more left over, so I have some stuff for lunch tomorrow, or if we are still hungry after this, but I think this big plate of food is gonna fill me up, but who knows?
Vlog is ready to be uploaded.
Kyle is uploading his vlog. If you guys haven't checked out our vlog channel, Kyle and Maddie, you guys should go and check it out. And also,
maybe you can link a link that works this time.
Yeah, the last link didn't work, so I'll link a link that's working in the description down below. It's been really fun having that second channel. Kyle's in charge of it and is doing all the editing, and he's vlogging most of it as well, but it's vlogs on days where we're not doing much. Like today we went to the gym and like we went to the beach, but the days that we vlog on the Kyle and Maddie channel, it's just kind of like our chill days, and I think it's fun to kind of like share those days with you guys as well. So yeah, make sure you go and check out that channel. We're gonna eat this, possibly watch some Netflix. I know in my videos I say that I don't watch Netflix, but we got this big TV that I'm looking at, and now we're like, let's just watch Netflix instead of YouTube tonight so that we can watch something on the big TV. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment down below, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.